Hey, and welcome to Petfood Forum. I am your host, Tom Clark, and we are here in Kansas City at the Power and Light District. What better place to take a look around the city than starting right here? Tom Clark, and I'm here with Keita, and Keita is a beautiful. Hi, I'm getting lots of love right here from Keita. Keita, what do you think of Petfood Forum here in Kansas City? Yeah, right. Duke, do you know what kind of dog food is your favorite? Yeah. I'm kind of curious. Can you please tell me what kind of dog food do you prefer? Obviously, she's excited. This is amazing. I know. Petfood Forum, it's amazing. It's absolutely. She can't wait to get to the show. This is cool. I love this. Thank you, Keita.